Hi everybody, I wanted to take a minute and talk about Lucid, which is a free tool. If you're a Canvas user, then you have access to Lucid for free, and it's integrated into Canvas, and you can use it for your assignments or for teaching your materials. And so I want to talk about how I created this template and where I'm using it. So I'm teaching a class about generative artificial intelligence, and I want the students to be able to define certain terms and compare and contrast different models and platforms that are out there. And ultimately, I want them to think about how they're going to be using AI when they graduate and enter the workplace. So this is a capstone assignment, and the gist is that throughout the term, they're going to be building a portfolio. They'll be contributing to the portfolio. And so for this assignment, I give them a choice of different assets that they can add to their portfolio. It could be multimedia, it could be something visual like an infographic. And so for this option, I'm giving them the choice of creating an artifact that is a Lucidchart board, and they can add that to their portfolio. The gist of the board is that they're going to create a professional one-page visual that compares different platforms. I also want them to define certain terms related to AI, and then really looking at that, comparing and contrasting, and then applying it to a workplace scenario. And they're welcome to build a board from scratch and export that as a PDF or PNG or something that they can put onto their portfolio. But then I also say you're welcome to use this template, the template that I created. If they would just like to not start from scratch, but they want to use this template, then they have that option. So once it loads up, then you can see my template here, and all they have to do really is fill it in. So they can add the text that they want to the different text boxes. And if they want to modify this in any way, it's fine. This is a copy of the template, and so essentially this belongs to them and they can use it however they want and then export it. I include some basic instructions up at the top, which is pretty self-explanatory. I wanted to make this form something that's really easy for them to fill out, and so they just go step 1 and then step 2 and step 3, and it's pretty much in short sentences filling this out. If they wanted to add components, then they have those options over here as well. And since this is a template, they're not actually editing the chart that I created. This is their own, and so when they save it, it saves as their own file. And then I would have them go ahead and export that as whatever they choose, PDF, PNG. If they want to export it as a JPEG, that's fine with me as well. So for me to create this template for them, it's pretty easy. It's boxes, and then I put text over some of the boxes. Some of these are multiple boxes, like I might have a light peach or orange colored box, and then I added another box towards the top that's kind of a darker shade so that I can put that header there. I used that technique over here as well. This is actually 2 boxes. If I zoom in right here, one is a white box with kind of a light purple border, and then I put another box in here just so that I can have this element right there, which is not something that they can type, but they can type right here. The text box is right here, and so they can explain the term in their one sentence for a non-technical audience. If they needed to move this around, then they can expand this if they really wanted to. There's no parameters that I'm keeping them to, but they're able to use all of this. They can change the icons. I just put some basic icons in there, but they can really own this. This is my original right here. In order to make this into a template, I'm going to click on the hamburger icon over here and edit in Lucid Spark. And then when I go ahead and click the icon again, then I have the option right down here to convert to template. Once I have that as a template, I'm going to hop back over to my landing page and go over to the templates. And there I can see this template that I just created, and I'm going to preview that template, and then I can use the template. So I'm going to click on the kebab icon right here, and I'm going to copy the share link. And when I copy that, you can choose anybody at your organization, which is if you're teaching a class in Canvas, that's probably the access that you want to grant, or any logged in user, so any Lucid person can use your template. If you plan on sharing this to people outside of the institution, then that would be a good link that you can share. Hopping back over to Canvas, I have this little bullet point here. You're welcome to use this template for your deliverable, and that template, that is the link to the template that I created for the students. And so they can have their own version of the document that I created, and they can modify it however they want and make it their own, and then export it as an asset for the assignment. And that's how I created the templates and made it available for my students. Now I'm making it available for you as well.